Hi guys and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to download videos on YouTube using your free trial. First thing, go to YouTube, select your preferred song, after that scroll on your right and click on download. Here you choose your quality and then click on start trial. Here you have all your information and after that click on subscribe. You can click on no thanks, and now if you click on download, select your quality, I will go with Full HD, click on download. As you can see, it's downloading. For you to access the music, all you need to do is go to download section on your profile. Because it's downloaded, you can access it even if you are offline. Thank you all for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.